following message is transmitted at the request of the Big Muddy River Prison authorities and the IND Law Enforcement Agency. The Big Muddy River Prison authorities need your help to find Michael J. White, who escaped at around 12:08 p.m. He has black hair, white skin, blue eyes, unknown weight, and unknown height. He was last wearing an orange suit. If you know any information or the whereabouts of J. White, call 911. If you spot or come into contact with White, do not approach the suspect as he is considered possibly dangerous as he may pose a threat to the public.